Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and if you have watched the previous video on GBP USD, then hopefully you are in a short position right now. To be honest, after releasing the video, there have been many difference of opinion that I am doing a bad job by shorting the market here. But honestly speaking, yes, I have short the market and I had my own reasons. And if you look at the chart here, then the overall setup of the chart has remained the same, and as per our expectation, market is still standing at the resistance, and market has failed to cross the resistance, because when I made the video yesterday, market was standing here and we were hoping that market would face double resistance at this level. The first resistance in the form of this trend line, and the second resistance from this particular level. And yes, market did struggle, and right now we can see that market is kinda struggling. To be very honest, market didn't go down as per my expectation, and you can see that market is still in the, it looks like that market is in the mood of going up, but due to resistance, market is unable to do so. And if we look at the chart of DXY US dollar here, then yes, as per our expectation, dollar did come to the double support here, and yes, it bounced here. But the thing that we need to focus here is that dollar has bounced and dollar is in uptrend right now, but dollar has a resistance at 94.14 level. Okay, listen to me carefully. Dollar has resistance at 94.14 level, and right now dollar is trading at 94.01. So after a couple of hours, a couple of minutes, there is a possibility that dollar will be struggling, because in case the price is not being supported by volume, then obviously dollar will struggle and there may be some sell off in the US dollar. And as we all know, it has a correlation with the British pound. So if dollar starts going down, then definitely GBP will be going up, and in that case, we will have to exit. Or in short, if you have already taken a short position, or you are in a short position right now, then you can be on the trade. But I will just request you to keep your eyes on the chart of US dollar, because yes, it did not go down as per our expectation, but if dollar starts going down after hitting the resistance level, then definitely there will be buying on the GBP USD, and there is a good possibility of GBP USD going up. Because if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, okay, forget about the downtrend, forget about the overall trend of the market. If we just focus on the present trend of the market here, then we can clearly see that this market is in uptrend, and we cannot deny that market is still bullish, and it looks like the market is consolidating. So my dear friends, be very careful. Yes, we shorted the market yesterday because of this double resistance here, but yes, market did struggle at the double resistance. But in case dollar starts going down after hitting the weekly resistance, then we will see some buying on GBP USD, and GBP USD may go up also. So be very careful. If I see some selling on US dollar, at least I will be closing my personal position, and I will also recommend the same to you. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And in case there is a heavy selling on US dollar, then definitely you can go for buy at GBP USD. If you are looking for a fresh opportunity on GBP USD, then what you can do is that you can go for a buy above this level. You can go for a buy above this level if you are looking for a safe opportunity, and your target will be 1.3780. This will be your target. Okay, so let's wait and watch how the market rolls, where the market goes. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye, take care. And my dear friends, recently I have launched the Pro Trader program, where I share the best opportunities in the market. If you're interested, please go to the Pro Trader section on my website. You will find all the information. Bye bye, take care.